Welcome to this tutorial on Adobe Lightroom Classic. In this tutorial, we are looking at how to rename files in the library module. So I have assumed that you've imported your files from your assignment and they're in a folder over here with the assignment name. In this example, we can pretend that the name of my assignment is the 24. And these are photos from our 24-hour film festival that we did last year. Anyhow, I have that folder active of the current assignment I'm working on. I'm going to select the first picture. And in the library module, I'm going to click up in the library menu. And I'm going to come down to rename photo, which has a shortcut key of F2. I'm going to rename photo. Right here it says custom settings. I'm going to click down arrow and edit. And it's going to give me this full file name template editor. And I'm going to delete what's in there. And this is what we're going to do for our class naming convention. A professional photographer, most that I've talked to and most YouTube videos I've seen, they start with date and then they add custom text for their client name or the shoot name. And then they either have a sequence number of images like 001 or a file name number suffix. For our particular class, what I want you to do is last name, first initial, so I can always know whose photographs I'm looking at. Underscore instead of a space. We don't want spaces in file names. And then we're going to come down to custom text here at the bottom, and we're going to insert custom text. And in a later step, this is going to give us a little box to type in, and it'll always be the name of the assignment. I'm going to shift underscore, and there's a couple ways to do this. We could do sequence number, but what I'm going to have you do is come down here and choose file name number suffix. And that's going to insert the numbers from the original file name of the photo off your camera. I'm going to hit insert. Okay, so you can see the example up here. My last name, first initial, underscore, and right now it's just using Old Quebec because that's the last photos I had named for another project, and then the numbers of the file name. Right now, if we hit done, we'd have to do this every time. So we want to save this as a template. So click on that, come down here and save current settings as a new preset, and let's call that EHS photography. And it might help if I spell it right. There we go. EHS photography. Click create. And then done. And here you can see I have this template. And where this custom text is, that's going to be the name of the assignment. So I'm going to pretend that the name of this assignment is the 24. So I'm going to type the 24. And you can see it's last name, first initial, underscore the 24. And then the file name suffix. I'm going to click OK. So that renamed the first file. Now I'm going to click, actually I'm not even going to click on the next one. Let's just do it all at once. Command A. Let's select Command A, all of the photos in that folder. So all these photos are part of this assignment. And we're going to come up to library, rename photos, or click F2 on your keyboard. And that's already there because we just did it. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to look to see that your photos match this file naming convention. I'm expecting to see your last name, first initial, the name of the assignment, and then a series of numbers. I'm going to look for it on every assignment you submit. So you better get it right.